Hello, blessed morning, blessed Wednesday morning to all of us, friends in YT all over the world. Please welcome to my channel, Beauty Lupis. I will sing again for my premiere. Big love shout out to my team, Team Sumbi, to our beloved chairman, Sir Merel Ventura, just me, our creative guys, officers and members. Big love shout out. And one thing, I would like to greet a happy birthday to our chairman, Sir Merel Ventura. Advance happy birthday po. Happy birthday po. Sana marami pang birthday ang inyong abutin. Stay healthy po. Para sa inyo po ito. Happy birthday, my darling, and many, many more. Another years has passed. I love you even more. Your eyes I love to see, your hands I love to touch, your lips I love to kiss. I love you all so very much. Tomorrow is starting new year and memories go away. I want to say I love you, darling, happy birthday. The gift I have for you is a promise to be true, to love you through the years and never ever bring you tears. Tomorrow is starting new year and memories go away. I want to say I love you, darling, happy birthday. The gift I had for you is a promise to be true. Happy birthday, sir. More birthdays to come. It's a promise to be true, to love you through the years and never ever bring you tears. Tomorrow is starting new year and memories away. I want to say I love you, darling, happy birthday. Happy birthday, sir. We can have shout out. Stay healthy po. More birthdays to come and God bless you always. Happy birthday. More friends, more. I have you in Tagalog song, guys. Ang puso ko'y nangangarap, tamang pag-ibig ang hanap, sa tamang panahon at pagkakataon, ikaw at ako. Nang ikaw ay makilala, labis-labis ang ligaya. Ang bawat sandali, lagi nang may ngiti sa aking mga labi. Sana ang pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pagkat puso ko'y nasanay sa pagmamahal mong alay. Puso'y nangangakong ikaw lamang at magkasama. Puso natin isa, ang hiling ko sana ay makita ka na at makapiling ka. Sana ang pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pagkat puso ko'y nasanay sa pagmamahal mong alay. Puso'y nangangakong ikaw lamang, at ito'y iyong asahan, o wag sanang iwanan. Puso, sana'y wag mong susugatan, dahil ito'y para sa'yo lamang, o wag sanang iwan. More guys, one more please. Thank you. Try natin to. I only live to love you. I only live to love you. Love you until forever. Day after day, year after year, for always we will journey together. I only live to love you. Walk with my dreams beside you. Smile after smile, tear after tear, in shadow or in sunshine, my love will guide you. When there are clouds above, if I have you to love, why do I care if you are there? For when you came away, there was no yesterday, only tomorrow with you. Here is my hand to lead you. Here are my arms that need you. I only live for your love, for my love will be your love now and forever. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you. God bless us sa ating lahat. Big love shout out. Thank you for watching. Please stay connected guys, and happy birthday to Sir Meral. To you, Sir Meral. Bye. God bless. Love you all.